Hello, welcome to Ethan's Kitchen, and today we're going to be making snowball cookies. Snowball cookies are a dessert that is a real family tradition that everybody loves. First, you add in the butter. You can also soften this part. Okay, and let that stir, or if it's softened, you don't really need to do that part. Next, you add in the sugar. This is my favorite part. Sometimes your butter will stick to the side, so sometimes you have to get it off of the thing. You can call it a thing. I'm struggling. Next, you put in the eggs. It looks a little bit like scrambled eggs. Now add in the vanilla. Now add in the salt. Now we've added in all the basic ingredients except for the flour. You'll want to put this in slowly. I love this. This is so much fun. Now you can keep mixing it. Delicioso! Now we're gonna pull it out of the bowl. I hate my life. Now that we're in a new bowl, we can add in the chocolate chips. Now you have to mash them. That'd be funny. That'd be funny. Be like every other YouTuber in the world. Now you can form the dough into little balls. If you're not magical, then you can put the dough in this fancy scooper tool. Easy as that. And you don't even need to grease the pans because these are butter cookies. And don't forget to preheat the oven. Boop, 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 boop. Now we're gonna put them in the oven. Wow! There's conveniently baked cookies in there. Let me get my oven mitts. Wow, that's what they look like when they're done. The reason my snowball cookies are called snowballs is because they look like snowballs. Before you coat the cookies in powdered sugar, make sure that they're warm enough so they will stick, but not too warm so that it will melt. Ta-da! I like to coat my snowballs with a little more powdered sugar. This is what they look like when they're done. Well, that was an adventure. I hope you had fun. Bye!